It's time for Fitness Friday with fitness professional David Utes, brought to you by the Northern Sports Center.
Over time, bad posture can wreak havoc on your neck and back. Here's a great exercise you can do to help. Stand feet parallel and hip width apart. Now take a wide grip on a towel or band, and without moving your head, core, or hips, raise your arms over your head and down towards your back. You can also book a personal trainer here at the Northern Sports Center.
Fitness Friday is brought to you by the Northern Sports Center, your Four Seasons fitness and recreation destination.